All right, what we're gonna do is let's go check on this sheep house. My buddy, he should have done finished it by now, but we go see. Just doing, he gone. I guess he gone for the day. He's showing me a whole lot of love, so I'm gonna take it. Throw them these potato peels in there. All right, let's go check on this sheep house. Really need to find another solution for this doggone for these gates, man. These chains, these little clip chains like this are really annoying, man. They really are. All right, I'm about to come up here. And see what's up. This is our first time. He also told me we need to get something for the corner of that doggone go house. There's good compost right there. All right, this is my first time seeing it today. Absolutely wonderful. Yep, what we did was created 2 stalls out of 1. Yeah, created 2 pens. Instead of just making it 1 pen, created 2. And set it up to where they can get in there. And then when they get in there, I'm gonna be able to lock them in there if I want to lock them in there. And I can control them and maintain what's going on with them, you know. And then over here, if I choose to get whatever, because the cow, she gonna come out of there with her brother real soon. And I can put her butt over in here. So when we have like whatever, man, I can lock them away. So this is my first real, no, that was my first real one that I can lock something away with. Now this one, I can literally lock something up with it. So I'm gonna put the sheep in there, man. Let the sheep eat. They out there napping and kicking it. But I'm gonna put some hay in there, straw. Let them be able to go in here. And yeah. So now I'm gonna get a bunch of like, some of that, a bunch of that put in here. And yeah, man, put a bunch of that in there. And I need to get in touch with my wheat straw people today and see if they got some and ride up there. And I'm gonna pack this full of that and they can relax. And then this side will be over here. Do the same thing over here. So I'm impressed, man. It's a good doggone good bill. Great price. Yep. So let's go down here and feed them. I know they hungry. Let me see. There go Buttercup. Let me go put some feed in the trough. Get them back situated. We should have some in here. All right, y'all. Peace. Yeah, this all gonna be compost right here. All that right there, that's gonna be good compost. By the time we get the cows out of here and the pigs, because I'm gonna put the pig on here next. Them pigs, they gotta be big enough where they can't squeeze through them holes in them gates. When I put them pigs on here, they're gonna root all this stuff up and make a bigger mess and poo and all that junk. And Yeah, it's gonna be a compost pile, man. All that hay over there. Buttercup, no. Buttercup, hey, no. Dude, no. These jokers here, man. Dude. See, he ain't got his collar on. I'll beat his butt when he get back. Bailey. They ain't heard nothing I said. They gone. Gonna kill the poor dog back though. We go get them straight. That's why you gotta keep Duke collar on, both of them. They gotta keep their collars on. So I'm working on training Buttercup right now with her collar. So she'll know what not to do. But yeah, man, this is a proud moment. It's a good building. Hook this thing up. Got it right. Duke, y'all come on, man. Get back over here. Get back in here, Duke. Duke. Come on. Where the puppy at, man? Come on, Bailey Brown. Doggone dogs, man. Come on, Bailey Brown. Bailey Brown. Look, she's just trying to hang with them so bad. Little bitty self. They done ran off a dog. But anyway, look. It's it, man. This is my first official build from scratch. We have that one over there. That one, when I first got down here, we just threw it together. They ain't really classy at all. So we're thinking about, I've been talking with my guy, man. We're thinking about tearing it down and building it back up. Put it on this fence line. We got water over here. Make it right. But let me show y'all what's going on. It's the firstborn that we built here. Bailey Brown, come back. It's a dog over there. Bailey Brown's trying to run the dog off. But anyway, look. This is the firstborn I done built over here at this place. I'm impressed with it. We didn't add no field dirt in it. That's why I still see space in the back, and I'm kind of okay with that. I'm gonna put hay and straw all inside of these things, pack them up real good with hay and straw, and I'm all right with that. Almost everything I build over here, man, we always adding a bunch of dirt and everything. And I mean, I know it's an option, but let me see. I'm gonna see first. If I put the field dirt in there, I know it's gonna make it more. Ain't no water can get up in here, nothing can leak up under there. We'll see. Maybe it's something I want to do. I mean, field dirt don't cost that much. You can get a load of field dirt for under $200. It ain't gonna cost that much. Yeah, but we'll see, man. Let me see how this works first. On that corner over there, I'm concerned because it's up off the ground, but I'm all right with that because it's just a barn. It's just a place for the animals to be born. But who knows? Maybe I need to fill that in and keep it from, I don't know. I'm still thinking that through. But we got it done. You know, put it together, man. Turned out to be a real nice place. Two-sided place, two-sided barn. We could put animals on both sides. I feel okay with that. I really do.